Hi, this is Zin from Malaysia. I've joined Ofer's online class for the last 8 weeks, Becoming Fluent, and would like to share a little bit of my experience from this class. Um, it was a really amazing experience. I never thought that we could actually bring therapy session into the online environment in such a graceful way. It all feels so natural, and I really enjoy before every class we start. We actually have everyone bringing a little ritual from our own tradition to share with everyone in the class. And there are songs, prayers, blessings, stories, and bringing offerings such as flowers, tea, and candles to offer or to give before the start of something new. And that actually makes the environment really warm and cozy, and we feel close to each other even though we are actually not physically not in the same dimension. There are also so many friends that we make during these 8 weeks from Thailand, from Switzerland, UK, from Greece, and joining together in such an intimate environment. And also, there are so many interesting topics that Offer brought up for us to discuss, um, and how we could, as a giver, to provide support with our loving presence, and to provide a more safe place or environment for a session with love and kindness as our heart compass. And we also dive into some small group discussions, which is a two-person small group discussion, and that brings so much intimacy into the group dynamics and allow sharing that are very close to our hearts with each other, and we touch very deep topics by practicing at the same time how to use what we have learned, such as nonviolent communication, empathetic listening in the session with our friends. And there are also the recordings to be watched again in case we have bad internet connections or other disturbances, so we never feel like we're left out from any of the teachings. And Offer also compile a list of very useful videos that we could actually use and learn from home. So I really appreciate and feel like it's such an honor to be with so many people in such an intimate space to learn together and be the change that we wanted to see in our society and contribute to the healing of the world. So thank you so much.